minus 13 over 28 square. We want to find the square of this number. Solution. Minus 13 divided by 28 square. We can express this as what? Minus 13 divided by 28 times minus 13 divided by 28. Now, minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Take note of that. Now, numerator multiply numerator while denominator multiply denominator. 13 times 13. We can easily get that one because 13 times 13 is same thing as 13 square. And that's a perfect square. And that will give us 169. Now, let's multiply out 28 by 28. 28 by 28. What will you have? 8 times 8. That is 64. So you are going to carry 6. You carry 6. Take note. Now, 8 times 2, what do we have? 16. 16 plus 6. That is 22. Now, we have used 6. Let's use 2 now. 2 times 8. That is 16. So it means that we carry 1. We carry 1 now. Now, 2 times 2, what do we have? That is 4. 4 plus 1, what do we have? 5. We now add. From the back, take note. We have 4. Then 6 plus 2, what do we have? 8. 5 plus 2, what do we have? 7. So it means that 28 times 28 will give us 784. So let's come back to the main problem. Minus times minus, that's plus. 13 times 13, that's 169. 28 times 28, that is 784. So this same thing as 169 divided by what? 784. That is the answer to the question. Thank you.